Glowing eyes are rarely a good sign. Best be careful.
Someone there? Tread lightly.
This was more fun when it was... Give him something to cry about.
Don't wear his voice out. We still need answers.
No one back home will ever believe this. Breathe deep and move.
Minthara's gonna skin us. No one knows about this damn weapon. Yeah, she'll kill us dead if we go back without it.
We'll get the druid talking. Grove's got to be full of magic. That's why I've been stabbing all the rats. Might be spies. Did some bleeding arts show up to save the druid? I'll cut you to pieces. Kill 'em!
I have to survive this.
Ha-ha!
Let's make this quick.
Bit of caution never hurt. Fall by my hand.
The right decision.
Let's have some fun. Come on then. Ignis!
Still on my feet.
I will ascend.
Where do I go from here?
Victory awaits. Ready.
Sometimes the only way out is through.
Time to strike. What's the plan?
Very well.
Seems simple enough.
Action, not reaction. Proceeding.
What's that?
My injuries need tending.
What to do?
His breaths are shallow, his wounds deep. He doesn't respond to your voice.
I'm ready. Whatever it takes.
Take you.
Looking ahead.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I thought I was gonna die down here. It's my fault. I thought I'd given them the slip, but they followed me through the tunnel back there. I must tell the others what happened. I stepped careful. There are traps in these tunnels. And thank you again.
Best be on my way. What's inside?
Oh dear. Someone's left a trap out for us. What now? There.
No one stopped me yet. Need to find a way forward.
Time to see what new horrors waiting for us. I can't even see a lock to pick. I can't even see a lock.
Let's go.